Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by prepping the piece and applying the first marks. Use a clean, dry surface and remove grease with isopropyl. This helps pigment adhere. Once done, pick 2 to 3 pencil tones that match the reference, rust, soot, and a lighter dust. Make light strokes and small smudges. You want pigment, not a stain. Work methodically from focal points outward so corrections stay local, and make sure to test each tone on a scrap to confirm value before committing. You continue by building layers to achieve realistic depth. Start with harder pencil lines for scratches, then add softer shading over and around them to suggest grime. Once done with a layer, blend selectively with a soft brush, paper stump, or cotton swab. Blending integrates pigments while keeping the darkest lines crisp. Make sure to use a tiny amount of solvent only where pigments sit thick. This settles the powder and softens edges without dissolving previous layers. Repeat until tones read correctly. You finish by fixing and sealing your weathering. Apply 2 thin, even coats of matte varnish spaced about 10 to 15 minutes apart. This locks pigments without rehydrating them. If you overapplied, gently lift excess with a soft eraser or a solvent-dampened swab. Work small and test first. Once satisfied, add any small highlights or metallic rubs for realism, then seal fully. Troubleshooting tip: if pigments smear after sealing, remove with solvent and redo.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.